It is possible to save floor plans into Certo. You open the project documentation and you go down here to the floor plans and click the button. Then you can choose the floor plans you want to have in this project. Now we have 2 plans here. You can then use it to mark the products to the correct places. For example, if we open this door and we go to this button, which means create floor plan marking, we click it and then we can choose on which floor plan this door is. And here in the picture you can mark where the door is. For example, here. Now you have this yellow area which marks where the door is. You can save this now. If we go back to the product, we can now see that this has turned into green. If you click it, you can find the mark